Alright, now that we've got the post filter extension installed, let's go ahead and use it. And just as a way to troubleshoot, sometimes if the extension, didn't filter anything, sometimes you just need to refresh Facebook. So we're just going to refresh the page. You definitely need to refresh the page after you install the extension. So we're just going to actually refresh the page. Alright, so now that we've refreshed the page, we're just going to click on post filter, and what we're going to do is we're just going to filter ads. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to filter ads, and there's several reasons why you may want to filter ads. Okay, maybe you're wanting to write some ads yourself and you're looking for inspiring content. That's one reason. Maybe you're using our other software, Mad Adder, and because you're going to go in and actually collect ads and you're going to create your own ads, so you can use post filter with Mad Adder so that you can find those ads much faster. Maybe you're wanting to use Friend Connector and essentially connect with people that are commenting and reacting on ads. All right, so there's lots of different reasons that you may want to just see only ads, and that could be because you're wanting to write ads. So the first thing that we're going to do to actually just filter ads is in post filter, we're just going to click on this little thing over here that says ads, and we're going to make sure that it says show, because that's what we want to do. Now I just want you to understand that the show and don't show here are actually referring to the keywords. Now, I'm going to go over those in just a little bit. So for right now, we're just going to leave it blank, and we're just going to say, I want to see only ads. We're going to click this green button here. Now, once we click this green button, we're just going to wait for a little bit, and we're going to let post filter go in and actually do its job, and then it's going to go in and it's going to actually start filtering everything for us. For me, it's going to take a little bit of time because I'm live streaming while I'm doing this training, so my net's a little slow. So it does take just a few minutes for it to go in and actually hide everything from you and then start the filtering process and filter everything. So you can see that it's actually running right here. At any time, if you want to stop it and go back to your normal feed, you can just click the stop button. But for right now, you can look and you can see that everything we see on our feed now is an ad. Here's a sponsored ad, here's another sponsored ad, here's another sponsored ad, here's another sponsored ad, here's another sponsored ad. And then now we've reached the end of the ads. We're not seeing any more ads. So if you want to see some more ads, you're just going to scroll down to the bottom, and you're just going to wait for a little bit and let post filter load up some more information from your newsfeed and then start filtering it out. So we've waited a little bit. Here's another ad. Here's another ad. Here's another ad. So you can see now post filter is getting rid of anything that is not an ad for us. So now you know how you can actually filter just and only see ads. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do a little bit more filtering on post filter.